was feeling it. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him.
If y'all wondering why I look like I'm driving a bus and look in the back seat, you'll figure it out.
All them kids he got, yeah, he got a lot of darn insurance.
One more on the way.
And Zuri right here, she on her way.
The Lord said, be fruitful and multiply. You got quiet then, didn't you?
You didn't see my face.
I ain't worried about that. What is that?
Today, we're going to another festival.
They probably can't hear you.
We're going to another festival. Is that loud enough?
Talk like you was just talking in the house when you was yelling at the church.
Cause y'all drive me crazy. All right, everyone, we're going to another festival today. It's July 4th. We're festive. We have our star shirts on.
Guys, all these shirts looking like flags and stuff. God.
Well, my children don't like it. Oh well.
Me neither.
See, that's the only sweet one right there. Them two, child, they is a whole nother breed. I wonder what Zuri gonna come out acting like. I think we look cute.
We gotta take a picture.
Yeah, we gotta take a picture.
Hopefully we can get there and it don't be raining.
It'll be cooled off by the time we get there. But yes, we are headed to Celebration in another county, and they have like a festival, and then they have fireworks at the end. It started at 3. It's from 3 to 10. We was just trying to wait for the sun to go down some, but now it's raining, so hopefully it'll cool everything off. So we'll get back to y'all once we get out there. Hopefully it's not raining. Looking like Marvin Sapp over there with no neck. He's sweating biggie right now.
Take that, take that.
But he driving. And it's raining. No hands on the wheel. I don't know. Y'all pray for us. Because this is what we're going through right now. We're going through a little mini hurricane, and look at him.
That's what we do in Florida. We had hurricane party. How they do it?
I don't know. I don't think it's like that. He gonna be aching in the morning, y'all.
You leave me alone with them shorts on. Talk about that.
We can talk about my shorts.
I don't know what she thinks she be going with these short
I'm with him, ain't it? I'm with him, ain't it?
There ain't no excuse.
You like
And
it?
you got 3 of them in the back. I had to check their pants length.
Like we at school.
I had to do
Y'all
it.
remember how we had to be at school and put your hands to the side to see if your pants or your skirt was
I sure had
at
to
that
do the thumb
length?
rule.
That's what he trying to do.
I did. It wasn't no
What's the
try.
thumb rule?
You put your hand like to show them the demonstration. So when y'all have these shorts way up here, you gotta put your hand like this. And if that don't, your shorts don't, your finger don't touch your kneecap, they're too short.
Oh God, man, bump Krugers with the C. We got Principal Cruger right here.
Dean Cruger. How about that?
We have arrived, y'all. We got a little lost. So we made it. Yeah, this is what they was talking about. They say you go to the Hitchcock's parking lot and watch the fireworks.
Hitchcocks.
Fireworks. You go to their parking lot and watch the fireworks. You just come out here for the festival during the day, but then you leave when they do the fireworks because it's hard to get out of here.
We got gas. What?
Don't do that. Don't be messy.
Our geography was all off.
It was.
How you doing? Where the parking at?
Go back around, go back to this road up here. Go back there, you'll park in the field.
All right, thank you. So we made it to the festival. We finna walk around. You alright, right? Finna walk around and see what it be about.
All right, y'all know what I'm going to get.
What?
A smoothie or a slushie.
I know ain't no smoke bullet out here, so I ain't even worried about it.
Y'all, our festival experience was cut short because of the weather. Now Mr. Cruger is just driving around and you don't know where we at. You okay, huh? Oh, look at that face, y'all. Look at that face. But anyways, the girls back there got them fried Oreos, funnel cake, and a snow cone. Marcus got him a funnel cake and I got me a bowl.
And now I got heartburn. She go to a festival and order something she could go order out in town. What kind of mess is that? You gonna go to a festival?
I saw that and that's what I wanted and it was good. I ain't need to get nothing else. But anyways,
that's like going out of state where they got all kind of different restaurants and she go to darn Burger King.
Ugh.
They go to Popo's. They go to Popo's. They go to Popo's.
But I tried a funnel cake and I want to say for like the first time in my life, I don't know, but that thing was good.
She never had a funnel cake.
That thing was good.
Probably because she always went to the fair and tried to find McDonald's.
I don't.
Or something that you can get.
But that food was good. That's something that I needed. I needed to stay in my lane. I ain't need nothing. Excuse me, fried or greasy, or me and Zuri would have been up all night.
But she ate a funnel cake.
Not our full one. It was just good.
I don't know where we at.
And Marcus got us on this road, and it's about to get dark. And we're gonna be on this dark road.
They gotta lead us in the Gainesville.
I gotta show y'all where we at. Look, he got us up. Phone on the charger. He got us all out here. Don't know where we at.
We're on 241.
Where 241 lead us, honey?
Huh?
Yeah, exactly. You talking about it gotta lead us in the Gainesville. I hope it do. Yeah.
That was a slave house. Had to be. Look at
Oh
it.
Lord, honey, you record.
So, oops.
Happy 4th. So y'all, just remember us. Remember this vlog of us from the 4th. If you don't hear from us, it's because Mr. Cruger got us lost. And somebody done caught us up back here.
Oh, I know where we at.
Oh Lord, now he know where we at.
I think. Look at that beautiful scenery. Look at that beautiful.
Mr. Cruger, you think you gonna get us out this situation?
Man, I know where we at, man.
It's lightning.
We're in Alachua County, I know that.
I just put the GPS on to take us home.
I don't need no GPS.
Like I said, y'all remember me. My name is Shelby Hankerson Cruger. Please,
tell them your other name. You left one out. Now since you want to tell them your name. Tell them that one.
Y'all,
that's Middle Hopper Road. We good.
See, y'all please come find me. Oh God.
We're gonna come up on 39th.
So I'm back. So as y'all see that we're coordinated.
We got the
Me and the girls, we're coordinated, and Mr. Cruger got on his red, white, and blue as well. So the girls say we look lame. We the only family out here at the festival that match. Those were the words that came out of their mouths.
Yes.
But when we get out there, everybody love our outfits. Everybody love our coordination. You know, you got to coordinate.
Get the coordinate.
We had like 2 or 3.
About
4 compliments. I think we look cute. I'm gonna post a picture so y'all can see. Y'all hear the moans and groans in the back. I just thought, you know, it was a good day to dress up and look like family.
We did look like family.
Family.
Sure, we'll take some pictures.
Family. Anyways, I had to come back and let y'all know about our kids.